ñu ke video le I bama I fongo I nyadal ka taraji amanko komi ye nule de imenu
Stuff are coming out, bro. Believe in me. More stuff are coming about Gambia, which were under hiding the past 10 years.
Well, as long as I know, yes, Tabari is a gay.
FBI do in Gambia. FBI is for in America. You are not living in America, so why? That's why I'm saying this man is crazy.
amadila mo janna somebody inte I love you wallahi my brother I love you Tafle okay sayanga ayele tele sanya ayele tele atol mi la fa comment la sa comment ayele tele to mbadi gammelo alkana dan so ndaba fala ni mandi ka ngolete ya fo ni suwa ka ngol
No problem.
okay alkana nyimuta ko ku jele fengolo nyiti albala falla Gambia fondinkeli Gambia tinyata le fa tinyata video fe mendolbul maykra kinyede ndetentende andu Mike fanana bangal balbe mbulle that's so diam
Okay, lu mu doon wax moo nekk ne lii du nekkul yëfi ree because this is very sad. Lii mi nga wane ne right now Gambia dañu need help like government bi dañu war a jàppale Gambians yi because tey suñu waa dëkka nga xamante ne ay xale góor yu ñu yaakaar ñu war a nekk suñu papa wala nekk ay imam wala nekk ay walu ñoo dem di seen mic ay taati neen ñu ŋaapee ko juutu jël seen loxo yi di ko lukku si affaire bi de si muutu yu leen jël seen loxo yi di ko lukku di ko ne you see how deep it is you see how lukku is this is sad li dafa nekk loo xamante ni jigéen ñi sa defatuñ ko xam nga dañ dee ne jigéen yaa di jël ay butéel di ko roof góor laa gis góor yi ñoo xamante ne tey suñ fi taxawee billahi wala tele yesapo yele koy ko salute mister ñooy def lii it's all about posing Gambia gars fu mu nekk ni bu leen ree because xam nga lan la am na ñoo xamante yéen mu feeree seen naka yaam fa de seen brother yaam fa de seen càmmiñ yaam fa about 500 Gambians xanaa Gambia jeex na because Gambia we are not big about 500 men's Gambian seen taati nataal xanaa konte Gambia léegi right now Gambia jeex na
janso yaro mu nekante jakal alka nyin ke kan ali yawra kon ka foro ko ke kan jos ile talol damalum hani de ñunu ke video le I bama I fongo I nyadal ka taraji amanko komi ye nule de imenu de I nyadal le ka taraje baby you want this baby ke ka fo ke baby
ani yàlla mu nente jële ku tere si la bi ko ne baby I want you to come in this bed in this side I wish you are here anu fana angalel man senia fande baby ikama baby I want you to come I wish you are in this side of the bed baby nko la hawla wala quwwata dëkk bi toj na fu mu nekk nii moom suñ dëkk bi dañ ko jaay rek ñu yaay ina ko doo faling na janjandorong na janjandorong nte ka wolof yente la ko doo dinante janjang nte pareetale mu na Gambia bi ne leen sutura wantere yàlla la sutura yaaga because sooti ala yàlla sooti mu moo kenn dati wax dëgg neex yàlla naa mu dooti num bii sooti su bonoon tey daf doon expose li yëpp waaye mu ngi ko jàppa mu ne ma ñi mo mbaa kala ñaamen kaa ko ñi woo naa ko tukkutukku yérenti dorong bari maa tandi duniya bee ko Mike lii la pour Mike bu mu ñëwati Gambia wala
Mike yana somebody ba fo kam Mike tata Gambia Mike nene man ta Gambia ayo confirm te yale audio play follow
audio play
Well, as long as I know, yes, Tabari is a gay. I have, you say, Tabari is a gay. Yeah, if I said Tabari is a gay, Tabari is a gay. If I didn't say Tabari is not a gay, then I did say Tabari is not a gay. That's how it should be with you. That's up to me to say to you if Tabari is a gay or not. Because according to you, nothing's an evidence. But I tell you one thing, that the only thing you cannot go against me as evidence are the Western Union documents. No, I appreciate you. You're very polite. You're not insulting me. You're very polite. You speak low. I'm 67. I'm treating cancer. I have 2 cancers. I'm doing chemotherapy. And what I don't like sometimes is manipulation of things that the Kutubu and Tabora manipulate. They manipulate it. You still didn't say what about the Alcalo. Are they saying the Alcalo is a liar? Who is saying the truth? Tabora, Kutubu, and Sira, or the Alcalo? Oh, yes, I cried. That is true. I cried a lot. about Tabora being in Libya. Sida even told me.
Somebody I cry a lot for Tabora being in Libya.
Forget about Tabora. You know how much they charged me for Tabora to go back from Libya to Gambia? $65,000. I have the receipts. Can you tell me what they want to be saved from? Can you tell me, how can the FBI criminal list, I see 3 accept, and I think I will not put you on the FBI list, No.
Okay. I told me many video Jubekang. Mo Jamal many video Jubekang. About 4,000 people are saying 1.5 lebijan 3 point something. What about Jubekang? Mini by Jubekang Nindula Doltola. Samba told GB, I told me baby jang 1.5 la jakan jansa. But I told me baby GB la jola GB rola jang. Ala fonye hani mi manta karamoro. Do you think FBI more from nowhere ye more chika American ol bijane sisa man ni mora ni molda alim balal atol Americano. Mosa more chika dro yasamba America FBI I dunje FBI listo kono. Is that possible? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Then FBI is just like that. Nyinka te fombe do ko FBI. Alila mo yala ka folo ka te fombe do ko FBI. Alila mo.
I'll be okay. I like you. You're a good man. I like you. I'm sorry about you. You believe in those guys because we're a Gambian. You're believing those guys. They're criminals. It's not only me that say they're criminals. You see, that's not only me. Why don't you, okay. So you say that they got in touch with you to save them. Can you save me on a live? So I can talk. I don't want to talk about that. No, I don't want to talk about Tabora with Mustafa. No, the American guy. No. Forget about it. This is too much. All I want now, because I have to prove to and talk. I don't want to talk about that. No, I don't want to talk about Tabora with Mustafa. Why don't you? Okay. So you say that they got in touch with you to save them. Can you save me on a live? So I can talk. I don't want to talk about that. No, I don't want to talk about Tabora with Mustafa. No, the American guy. No. Forget about it. This is too much. All I want now, because I have to prove to my family that you have the gay pictures of me naked. The gay pictures have to be gay pictures, because if you have, I want the pictures. I have the right to have the pictures. And I have the right to the evidence that you said I was not born in the United States. I need that. Otherwise, I'm committing a crime. I don't want to be a criminal. So I need that. And I need the naked pictures, the gay naked pictures of me. What else? I don't need the crying, because I was crying. I know I was crying. I love Tabora. Tabora is my son. Tabora was my son. Tabora was my son. I'm very sorry to tell you. I think you should. Did you do any research on me? Yes, of course you did, because I was not born in the United States. Okay, you did research on me for sure. You would not say that on the live show. No. And I'm just waiting for the videos of me having sex with another man, because that's proving that I'm a gay. Or me saying to you, I am a gay, and then you go on live and you say, I am a gay. It was not me directly that blocked you. They saw. Do you think TikTok doesn't see? When you say the word gay, the algorithm will instantly block you. You cannot say the word gay on TikTok, Mr. Jame. Please. And I need also the naked pictures of me, the gay naked pictures that you. So that's my voice. Yeah, that's my voice. I cried all the time, Susida. I cried all the time. But then you have to tell me if Kutubu's voice or not. Can you call Kutubu and ask him if that's his voice or not tomorrow? You see? We're getting there. We're getting there. Just call Kutubu and say, Kutubu, is this your voice or is this a fake voice? Good, because I'm telling you, this is how you work. You call people and say, is this your voice? You don't even have to play the voice, because I cried months for Tabora. You don't even, and I don't care if
somebody, anyway, I cry months for Tabora. Mbadingol. Ndema famu ke udevite bar sanya ko. I cry months for Tabora. I cry months. Alina mo dema fa.
Yan mo may dan stock off your camera. May na camera para pour mo. Man duma refugee de. Man dama am citizen Belgium la. Man na duma refugee. Taki ma ko dina degel sax. Lu muy def na ñew man ma very simple na ñew yobu ma court ma am fiya de. Man ragaluma de. Man ragaluma lu may daw lu may ko fe suma camera for what? Nta why I'm gonna off my camera. I'm a Belgium citizen di. Wa, ki ma ko ki du American citizen di mom fu mu joge mom xam na ko. Man ma ko dina degel di. Na ñew. Hi.
You know, this is how you work.
For my
You call
country,
people and
I
say,
will do
"Is
it.
this your voice?"
100%.
You know, you don't even have to play the voice because I cried months for Tabora. You don't even, and I don't care if it's not my voice because he was my son. You see, I don't care. But now you go and ask Kutubo, is this your voice? Did you call your brother Tabora a liar? Did you say, Mike, I will do something to you that you will regret for the rest of your life? She's being a criminal. She's doing elder abuse. This is on the FBI crime list. If you threaten a 60-year-old man over the age of 60, it's a crime. You have to check that list. Because I checked that list because we're from the FBI. You know, I'm from the FBI.
Ali Ahmed. I am from the FBI. Ate so alto American on mimbijan. Anyanda ka jar record le ali di FBI wala de mo ba fo impersonate kan.
Noti, do you think American FBI they are even America from America the madama is a headache in the American people their FBI they even tired of America it all bela time waste la ñu ñama to la ko la bang. This man don't akete threaten I am like we are scared or we are refugee in Europe or we are here we are doing nothing. Hey, we are working hard in this country, we are paying tax. We have our home, we have everything what white people have. We are even better than white people in this Europe. What we have, even white people don't have it. So you cannot threaten anybody here. The most important thing, I have to tell you is, stop going to Africa, faking people, destroying our kids, giving them money, showing them money, and having their naked pictures. That is what we have to fight for. And that we're going to fight. And if you anywhere you want to go, you are welcome. I even text you today. Text na ako tayo, lumako wadega na ko. So lumako baga warek.
Dan so ayete fo tofu audio do to.
Wait, nta to na maneki akonte yu maneki.
Aye fo accuse lede.
Ako mo?
Ha mbatu ndaka na pa defo da.
Please.
Aye accuse lede, Mike accuse lede.
Please dong.
Mbatu ngada me fudala je.
Crime list. If you threaten a 60-year-old man over the age of 60, it's a crime. You have to check that list. Because I checked that list because we're from the FBI. You know, I'm from the FBI.
I'm from the FBI.
But I will appreciate very much. I need your evidence that I was not born in the United States. Otherwise, I'm going to be in trouble online. People, maybe the United States will even arrest me for having false identity. I need that from you to prove them. Please. And I need also the naked pictures of me, the gay naked pictures.
American ol min bijang anyi record alias amba FBI mo ka fo ko ate mo dum FBI listo kon this is a crime nga faale fo nyimu crime alila mo yakana njabi ji
that I think TikTok I didn't. Can I say something to you Ntari Makendo? You were fooled. You were fooled by those people like me. You were scammed by those people because they were criminals.
Okay.
I'll say to anyone because I have the right to say because they are on the list of criminals. You know, they committed a crime against an older person. I know what I'm saying, please. But you were fooled. You were scammed by those people. And you are in danger with your community, with your viewers and followers. And don't.
Okay, Mr. American man, Mr. Musu Budaba. Budaba.
Brother from another mother. Looks like you are basically exploding the Gambian TikTok. God damn, 1.6K. And King Danso, King Sek, pleasure to meet you, you know.
Ah, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah,
Nice
it's
to meet
been a while. I heard a lot about you, you know, all the comedy or something like that, you know, so pleasure.
you. Thank you,
Yes.
bro.
You know, Bakao Boyo.
Okay,
Yes.
you are a military, so can you help us here? Can I be in a, just like that to be in a FBI list?
What you mean, like the criminal list or what?
Yeah, criminal list.
No,
But this guy,
especially no. That's not how it works. So look, the FBI, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, they only have jurisdiction within the United States, not outside of the United States.
Thank you.
thank you.
You know, no, that's not how it works. And also, even if they have some sort of jurisdiction, it has to be a crime committed by an American citizen outside. But that means they have what we call attaché to the U.S. Embassy. And most of these, they are agent, not like directly to the FBI, but like, or we have companies basically that are attached to the U.S. embassies. And what they will do is that they will hand you over to the FBI when you touch down in the United States. You know, so the jurisdiction of the FBI is only within the United States, not
But
outside.
you
That's
can
for the CIA.
contact.
That's for the CIA.
Can somebody be in Gambia? You been in Brazil and put that person in FBI list?
No, that's not how it works. No.
The only thing I can say, he can even say that can make point is I can report you to Interpol. The make one
Yes.
can understand. Maybe Interpol can go further. But what can FBI do in Europe? What can FBI do in Gambia? FBI is for in America. You are not living in America, so why? That's why I'm saying this man is crazy. He don't even know what he's saying. To be honest.
No. Look, let's say, for example, you are an American citizen and you are overseas and like you committed like a huge crime. Okay. First of all, if you are not a diplomat, or let's say official passport holders, there are different type of passports. You have diplomatic passport and you have service passport. These passports are official passport. So when you have that, that means you are a representative of the United States in these countries. You understand? So that means the embassy would be in charge in a different way, diplomatically. But if you are just a normal U.S., you know, citizen or something like that, you committed a crime outside, those people, that country, they have every right to prosecute you. You understand? You can have consular or embassy help, assistance as an American citizen, but that's what they can do. Nothing more, unless if you have a diplomatic passport.
Okay, like if I am an American citizen, right? I have a problem with a Gambian. Like I feel like the Gambian have scammed me. Can I put them in FBI list?
No, you can't.
I can, isn't it?
No, look,
You can.
the Federal Bureau of Investigation, that's the FBI.
Yeah.
Basically, their job, their main job, is to prosecute American citizen that has committed federal crime. You understand?
Yeah.
So there are state crimes and there are federal crimes. Just like in America, you have county prison, you have state prison, and you have federal prisons. You understand? So depending on your crime, they will kind of forward it to the FBI. Not every crime, even within the United States, is within the jurisdiction of the FBI.
Can you wait a little bit? Can you wait a little bit?
Sure.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum salam.
Mtaboja.
Naam,
Ige nyari.
Leandro, otandi.
Yo tena tija nge kolle mbe life le isa kala mutayama.
Okay.
Ha mbe life le so nge kolle pour just mbakele te tariya ke.
Okay.
Ha komi ngafo nyami.
Okay, problem to you.
Ha Mike ya komi Mike le to fo problem okono. Mi yalon ko feo fina afokan akafro ko alkalo nyininka ya kala mutal ni na ngoy angale kan mo ko di
Nga moyle.
ni na fansa audio nyim play ya moy dawda ba fakan alkalo nyininka feo
Okay.
to di ko di akafro alkalo nyininka so bari janimbe audio nyim play la sai itani Mike ali nyolon ne ba al ne nyaay nyoje
Ani nene ma nyolong. Ma long. Mike, sa fo min keta pour ndana idiamu.
Ha.
Ayin kolle.
Okay.
Ayin kolle kanyin ka concerning about funga kutubo sise taboranyol fo.
Somebody alkalol ka diamu te nela moy alkalol. Acha explain ha.
Enyin ka wala fangelo ne bankai ankai engelo ne nkai bembala janne. So anata fanye ko wol anene wol dun ta ko le kono. Kuma jama I mi explain yeje. Okay, so nada fa anyway nkai ko nten ne ma wo kalam tam malo. So anata fanye ko iko ila kaito fa ila korra kaito ila fa falinale. Bari nene nata ni yalale. Akade kono le dira police kaito nyu fali foli natalen ma nkai hanin kai wonne man na jang wo sifala yaje nkai be man ko disa mananjang nkai andi ne man nanan jang ka fa ko ra kaito le be buli la fami falinda fa be fa ma to ya la ban fo ila ta change la ban something like that ka wole ko yo so ma wo kalam ta
so wol nene man nete ya nyim boy flow wol nene man nete ya kodi
ani nene man nante ya
abaraka bake sai akafo ko fanan
nene man
akafo ko fanan ko ite keno tandala keno mi yalan ko atenata je ite keno tandala keno mi yalan ko anyanta ka nursery school lo prato la je community ye wo soto tal bam faman soto ene keno le tandala banko jang inyanta ka nursery school lo jang
sodo anene ma sodo mo wuliyalti dini wol taw fola konteni nene ma kumo le fango moy fang anene ma sodo le nene ma kene kumo le fango moy ka fa ko kene kule dunde tema anyanta dula sanne wo mo to nyaati
abaraka bake ite ni nyinu be nyobal alla ko dabe nyaadi de mbadingol gammi nko ini nyulla kordabe nyoy nyaadi ne
korda kilene bentema
akate bun kono fula ako ate bun kono fula lo nyuni nyullabe nyaadi le bun kuta kono fula lo ta jele ban comme self container fula alota jele ban o korda ko
wo lo ta jele bare anyway ma kalam da fatale ka lo e ban fo e fon le ka lo e fon e ban wanyo lo mu dino nyi ya wanyo le lo nu ke ka wanyo le lo so inata kono do na ka bala sai ya ke bungoti
okay wanyo lo nu iko kana okay wanyo le bige nu iko kana
ya wanyo le ya iko ka wanyo le kono wanyo e ba wanyo le lo kan nu kono killing yo inata do ajo sabala ke da bungoti
akada bungoti bara amanka comme self container mu kodi amanka self container tide
no hani
bara akwete ya kala mutale akwete ya kala mutale kabrata ko bungulo woliye ite o kala mutale
hani
ima kala mutale
an wo fana mangi to nyaade
okay sai
mbe nyo balale nak ni mi loji mbe nyo balale ila mo mbe nyo balale nak ko dalbe nyo balale anu korda nyi mo fence hani mi mbasilo kaniya nyi ninka ko mi nyi ninka nyami ngaba folele mimbo sukon because korda nyi mo fence yo barka ko coming self contained lo woma sabre anyway ma wo amanke to nyaade ma o kala tamta nak ya du nyote ma nyame wo tuté to lebulude
so itene ma
ya min du nyote ma
ni Mike bodaje itene ma fen kala muta nyute ma kodi kula natra Mike mam fen foy kodi
hani ama ko la foro because kabra nyi nin ka ola na wala borra kuman le min bija kutubo na kuman len kay ko nyinti wabo kami ko ngay ko ya moy la ba ngay ko nyinti wabo kami ko wala nyinti ko alna ta jankayti fal ngol lay ko do diya la prale na jankay fo ne na ta janne ba ako hani wo manke akala borol nene wo kenum al broda ko ba ni ala broda le tema min ba libya tabora ako kubo woni wala tema no so ite yo woni ne wo fo ele ko korda kayto falina ako ye ko to nyal ne ni na jam
to babo
yo kai ko sai ti wabo fa pelen kai na diam kai ti wabo diam ina diam ya o senenda so after na ti wabo nyin call
Barisani
na funo la ni ti wabo nyin diamuta atandi ti wabo la ko wo man soto tabora ko banin ala buran tema tabora ay wo fo nyalal
comme itene man tara tabora ni nyin tubabo tema itene man tara je ko di
famune
inene man tara tol tema tubabo ni tabora inene man tara tema
ngonda ba nyimo la tol la kanyum kumo fotende ngani mike nene man nyum kumo moy
wow
ya kalam dale ko ti ko kude teme ka kuke maybe wosa faye no asakeno wosa faye ko incoming ke kabilo mol ka kala mutale ya yele bare intene ne ma moyle andu ma nene ma moy mo la fanan
wow okay
atela foro woto mo len to commence ka kala muta kabringa te afoko kule duntani woltema atende la nomba sodo nyami ngatele bolo
okay il lafte ni kala wala te la nomba soto nyami
komi ngatol fanan kanyi ni ka nyami tending
lafte ni kala wala num fa te la nomba soto nyaadi lenu
yo anyi ni ka wala
okay abaraka
because la brother ya fole ako ala friend mumbe ko nyoto na woni Mike diamala maybe wo fanane alkalo nomba lijanti aya di Mike la because boysol itol la wo groupe fang ila boysol fang
abe sa teno yalon pour idolente la nomba tono pour yenno nomba sono ba easy la e ma jete ente la nomba sono ni ma diamu ka
nga jonale so ni nenta
yo ente la nomba sono nyaadi la lon tama wolo yo boydo fana nato dun jang wona ta fana su ko na jang
jonale so
yo wo fana en kolle yo wo fana en nomba sono nyaami ma wolo
okay
bod wo tatel fele su because anende diamu ta janne ay nyinin ka kula ma kalamta may kami foko akama no le sanga kadi nyulula every month wolka bodo fulra di kabilo molla hana mangende di sa nga fade en ko sai ta kabilo ko ne nyinin karo fenene bo sifal moyle kado ndol ba nyum kumo moy ka alto lela
yeah thank you
ndol ba nyum moy ka alto lela de asakeno nyum ko be makere ne bon maybe ida malte malo
to nyalam
bare foka kene sang kakaramullo monene ma wo moy jang
abaraka bake Mr. Bole Yame, thank you so much so kuda sun karo ba
banyi moy kangal tolle tentin rek
na ale yojo alma
to dundi kanjede makle be to dundi kanjede alkalo ya kalamu dal alkalo nyininka alkalo ta wuliya fola alkalo fo bentela site le akantele makoy
ay dala diam kile no ay nyinin ka milan ko mi nyinin ka nyami
kumba jerejef
ay nyinin ka wala la no wala sene ndala le comme mon fen kala mutaji wo mu toñale yaaje kaka ko don min be ki woliye yaaje so ade fa kuma sa ke be senina
I hope he
wol fele ndanga ay be ki nyina ne na whatsapp
bari niol ay wol kin defo le bari jibe aka
thank you ya boy aka
ke sinya sabaleti ni ma cross ibuka understand ibajala kaydi
ko bala ndamalo yande
kaydi ko bala 1041 ibajala kaydi fula be bala o December tara je the same date wala biji saka kaydi wol ninke double leti aka ka triple leti so wala ka mol sam ma cross
mimbe teme toli alonne
mimbe teme tol damma
mimbe teme toli alonne
abaraka baki amay abaraka baki thank you so much abaraka
abaraka kondan da baraka
okay mbadingol alkalo bota fongo senendi kan Mike, you hear the alkalo? He said he don't even know you. He don't even know you. So sai
ni Mike mu wulole ti ite ni mu wulole ti ni se very big liar tabara call ba
amba klakan ko tokol so bari batna ala kotoma call ngana Mike la audio play mini mic la audio mini alan ko fa wala fa diata mbe mini play kan ngala mic la audio do le play mini diata fa ka mini play mba mini play kan tende
Gambia, so people have to be very aware. But yeah, bro, Dolphina as a Gambian, we have to be very aware. Yeah, the boys Jamal Fanang.
Yeah.
You know, they are undercover.
The same thing.
They are undercover because Tubabo Tina, Ika boys in Tubabu Kawaketa Terimati, they stay together. You know? They stay together. Ika kambani Gambian kambano jele I stay so about this or foreigner or whatever ika iko akoye kari munteri marete why is that kari is not his terima
guys I'll scream on my ali lamo nyima e Jamaica mimfoja is very educative
yeah jele fake they are doing something fishy because me I could remember by those days that time more Jamal Beku Jamala in Gambia on the ground doing this gay stuff among Fintinum. That was like 20 years ago. I'm telling you, by that time I was around 18, 19 years old, living in a compound at Fajara. Nkakewa jani nkewa. Tubabu kewa in Gambia, but that time yalo ila brino machot bake. But by those days nimu besteri wala nga fonye ko imalo ila in Gambian brother mu alka kacha attack alka kumon mufo ani nyinke ngolong kopoloti. I couldn't believe it by those days. You know?
Jamme nganyim fojana jamme ibuka wolon jamme nte bino molbe gambe milialongwe ka foyko nte natuba ke wolon nyindi what for tubabu ke ka bunse akakoda se
ko nte ya moje tubabu ke wo materi maleta according to him anu famalon ten people believe him ila moyle ay business baw yeleye I'm telling you, a very big business in Gambia. Motobal center. Manol be sender, duinol be sender, everything, compound no color. Why is the parents should have question? Ni keta parents oti. What they do no question la de by telling nyinke wala teri yada because tubabol fana ila kono bukata wanyamele bro.
No
I'm telling you,
it's the same thing.
Tubabola kodo bukata wanyame hanin tol mun bedukalantela nin tubabol sometimes ye buka ku dolke pour ye we hano ye fensa to ebulu ila kodo bukata wanyame ya understand ila kodo bukata wanyame because a lot of boys here ni tubabo be silo ka fa ye batanete ye bare do ma mesa gorgi akita ila nyo harala ngu wahagu lolu feka ifangol lombe fanda da kanje people don't understand what's going on
nyine betama kanje
wala betama kanjang ibu kala fa to nyalo fa yaje la mo hey ni dunia di ata bantol be nim fadan kata alaleya sometimes honesty is everything kana mo nya kana dube or whatever hani ba ma fango na man tara the right way ya fa o ifama. But this gay thing is going on in Gambia. Nko gelbe futu kan gele. Nyin sate ko le ka dulal yele ye. Te wol fana
ikane tof angale kauna because near tof wala.
Sorry. Beji word you use that. You know, maybe they won't understand. La jambi be la life for sorola. Nko itol mo kilingol be futu kan ani mo koyol jang. Kewo nin kewo. Pala sol be yele la. You know? Ibe ringol dundila nyola billah wala itala be farin tep nyin sate kono jang
alla Belgium je
Gambia jang I'm telling you jang in Gambia I'm in Gambia I don't live in Belgium I'm in Africa you get me Abidjan maninka dingol surwa dingol jola di nko bronde ka mum foye mam fani yafo it's in Gambia here isa mo yeta do morola je fa ko e parasite yo fele nyina ala musoti te Gambian dingo billah wala italay ke waye ke
no man jare ye kali
ke waye ke mo koyo ke mati ringol be dunding ringo mum be ke mo koyo bulu wala ngo ring sifati ke waya palaso be bori la kodol be bori te go ke mo fingo mum nin tuba bo be dugalante wo fana musol ba bulu dingol be juruma nga abulu te muso fo ya lon kon kema ni nyimbe boy mol ka balu ko mo la jan dunia ko alma ala yam fambela I'm telling you, it's so crazy. Wala na ni Mike, mol ma oda say ka foko ki rafa fever, ki psychola, ki I'm not fighting right for Michael. This Mike, my guy. If I'm gonna fight, I will fight for my Gambian brothers and sisters or whatever. You get me? But the problem is, tubabo, niaja abe dunla internet to social media. Ya lonko, ku jamal lombe duma, aman senea.
Ku jamal lebe duma de. Ika mim paten ku jam nying atodun ya lon last time you know mol ba flol ko vidi tay mbulo ko vidi bar kabda commencé ta ka do release no mol commencé ta ke dal mu
ko buron tol ka ko diri si fal belon ka tara Gambia nte fo bin sa dili gradu ngo ke nyen a social media nyen kali alale ko ndete fekal jelo ngake because this guy is having proof of money coming in. Yalo mol malo munombe kedi. Money was flooding coming in. But maybe falanin tabora adunta jele after in the later part ayamba le nabe moida. Alafta bolaje feka already they fell in love. Mo bese keno. Tabora da malo sa fansene yandi no ani ala tema ayekura no muta ako maika mufo woman ke tonyate anala wo sister because Michael kodo kana no ala sister yale. Me have been following this. Even yesterday we were discussing it. You know?
Ngo tubabu jamale be la moy kan tubabu jamale be
no moy kasi falbina Gambia nali amoy I told me be tubabu du fa walbe wuri la. You don't fintita. More are coming. Mul gena garawta ñinuti.
Sister jamma fo staff ray ni na la ni wota ba ko be ñala. No tubabu kewni mo fin kewla kano kay
ebe fani jam ebe munati na van ka kele nyin la
you know man si sala ko mo ku
nga van long van ka kelo do na
why is van fighting every day
van ka kelo nyin si pa do na kelo la
he knows he's working with the industry doing his own business and stuff like that doing his own taxi every time I'll say van moy I think that diamo faka kumbo he knows them he knows what's going on industry mumbi je molbe yalonde you know
sorry dawjula Gambia ga nyame billa hanini la muso tada ya bulay no less than 2 minutes 3 minutes ibe mo jela mi afanga balo nako dawjula la muso lo nyindi amina da dia bulay pour that is a problem.
That's the problem here.
Understand? Gambia mantara chahano fanga de mo koyo
be pare go mun dara itoli amira tubabolo everything ti
no
you know why you can do your own life without even tubab. Say tubabol tatale fongo for change nunto e kamunso to tubabol fongo say you will be very lucky to have it because abelon da meta industry tinyatale ku jamal lombe
system fongo lo tinya no
so say
tubabu ko abe Gambia
bu de la fa mo fala yin kodo so say kisto mbat bu bayna after ina na kisto
la fa ka mu fo je sister ka mu fo alnya aka mu fo da ko ku mo belo fo no ku jama bor kan Gambia al Gambia non del focus da men del focus ni comme ke woni be mum fo kan Gambia la ko but man nin dulaje comme de labro lal mum ke kan instead of nga focus ni je fanana ya jel so ni tibabo la interview la mo ya nyanda ka both side of story nyanda ka wol fanal la moyle no kan tari comme like aka munda mum fo Gambia la ko because nyaji ba interview so dole no ani somebody mal fa la interview la moy e kan
si woni be duma eriko so kinamba si boy no aha
yeah, so you can interview from accuse lenya comme like amu nineti amu ke wude wolti amu am fonkole ninki wa ka ni manke ke wude fonti no ninna ko tara comme ata ni ma ko ro silola so bo ka ke woni aka ke woni use le no so ke wota da yo le realize so sai hol man kati kunna broda la side so sai na broda la fa ka ko bondije atari fana broda fana ay mistake jamale ke ko ni e ko be diari wato mun mal fa la understand yeah so to bo ni fana mari realize kam bi nimbe hapuna yeah because bo na ku jamale ke because ninti wabo e proof jamale soto so wala na sometimes abitara fana ko nga ko ni sambani hakilola ngana tariya ka kuma jama fatu babo na kol because nde lumbe silante be binan ko chimilale no comme babo la side
basa fatu babo le banko toti nyaka mbam fo bo nyinde banko toti nyaka sante
bole be banko toti nyaka bole bala family ko nan tinyaka bole be kol be tinyaka jang to be honest al nga to nya fore
yo na bro dunia mom fo nya ko nya fo
bole be tulati nyaka
ngala fi nyoma ko la ngala fi nyo fasa
ngo ma ko loti jamburo ma ko loti jam reality have to come out
starting day all of ngo ko no ko be nyintu babo blame la bo nyi ni blame mo ba kela 100% mol batele blame la because ni jam fundila na ngabe diamula there's a proof so
Cool BJ, no?
So yeah,
This man is having a lot of food. I'll come with it too.
Yeah,
All of
lot of
them
food.
Be moy kam.
Okay, I think this guy, Niaje Hanisa man give up, man, on my own opinion, is because this guy is having more proof than people know.
Yeah.
Molman wala long.
Yeah, I'm give up nak. Abaka nan sinde.
You can't know what to give up, Lale. You don't know this American,
No.
so-called American.
Yeah,
He's
boy,
not gonna
I
give up. And this is the only one which come out. More stuff are coming out, bro. Believe in me. More stuff are coming about Gambia, which were under hiding the past 10 years. All's gonna come in blue. Purumolialo, what's going on here?
Okay.
Gambia
Ngakari jallo so jamme tebe industry lete you have to stay here because it you know you know something about it.
Mansung at this moment I'm very sick.
Okay,
but still Jamben la moida, yeah.
Okay, so Khadija Jallo, come on. Ise ka wulin domandi mba mole fana moyba because ñing ko be durim bakel de.
Okay, mbola moy laal be konton na.
Ngejo.
Be dawada. Okay, ndenga ñing isu ye ñamen. Gambia sa en ko mata ñamen. Nimman hakilo. Na generation o men kana mbabe le tiñala. Because sa e ka mojele ko sister ya fa ñamen. E ka tubabo jela na ya fa ko hala fre no long ala aya muta falti wala tenenteng. Ye dindi ngo mumela sika yadi wo tubabo la ay tara fe jeto e manke ya
ay ta tubabo fe ala bun kon fo
ha ay tara tubabo fe nin tubabo na tam jang Gambia jang like visiting na dindi ngo nyimba ta tubabo le fe just like tubabo be tara kubal kala family ye kordal basanna ko be kala adum parents sol nyaka jele but ibu kasi wol dol bije bu kasi fanke dingo nyininka like parent nin dingo se sino nyamen ka kacha for yalon ko mun situation be on the ground ke mukallaf no ite ke
guys al screamo tab ale live follow ale screamo ale platform o nyum follow more is coming on this platform al be ku jama mo la in platform o ja al mammi expect Gambia la ko aha kali jaro ko nyadi
ike dingo sika ka di wala knowing fully well ko molbe nyin generational mento ke wudeli ibe kerine adu te banna adu nyin tubabol dol bije wol nin courant le fankana Gambia jang
ñim fo wol fala video da kadam kansa personal
to katara wala nyama ibe dindingol ibe courant sawundila na youth solla wala ya sabu saying adiyamo siata bakele parents all as far as parents mbenya nakan hakilo tule we should be vigilant about our family nkana nafulo wasip anungole be Gambia jansa mole nafulo le wasip ila idingol la jata kende ya wala la nyantol anila sulol wome tol sula the only thing is sulata men na tubabo be menkele toli tubabo be fenkele toli wata niyo sanno le toli ata jata kende ya sanno le toli. These are some very expensive things me anko hadama dingo is hanata million le bebul billions ite wasanano. You cannot buy life and you cannot buy health. So adu dunia saying think about it kurang libe siarim ba kele many yalon ko is a saundi no modolal adu yajele nyinke udela coming musuni musoni kewse kurang saundi no nyola nyame like kening wala gena haita because ikadamen to use that place wala gena serious that even than the other part. So hadama dingo molnya na sometimes we should think about our health before mbira na fulo la karol adu Gambia jans ni tata nyimba dala ten ibe nyin kam ngol mel be tara yetenti to awol yebe boyelendi moliye
Allahu akbar.
so ini ajibe sang is very sad sister men photo nyalonde Gambia jang komi dewle be keri rek modol bi je wol be deeri tal kan ñin tubabo waya jele ko ñin yemen katela dimin tabake la korta ke de no kan but mo jama be je ni wol ye ñin nañi wol ka ñin nañi diamo la mo internet oto e fa nambe fintila diam adung
no ñinon tubabu nani njawta min diam ta Gambia la ko
very good so
ñinon nani njawta
itoli be fanti nyakan ne ibe la family ti nyakan ibe banko fanan ti nyakan sai ite amire te be proud la nyaadi le kata lo dula to kafu ko hande bota Gambia mole Gambia lo nyame nu yene mi da sai molka si kanyin kusi fal fo Gambia ma ite be proud la nyaadi le kata ka lo dula to kafu ko nde bota Gambia le hada mol nyanna le like nganna mbe society ko na nyame ngam fan jibe ku ke ba because ni bankol basia bar ni mol men ka fimbite ha Gambia ten adum adiamo siatale bro ha So parents ol nyan nang hakilo to la bakele nafulo to nya diatal bar hadama dingol diata nafuloti itela o dingo nya tara ya kulu nyan naka kulu nyamen abe na fala fenna mi anko nyintu babo tete na fa no la wal material thing what is just what is a lasting immediately
but say you know because yajale say you know it's right time you know nga question ning mol nyaay because nyim